Okay, so the first one is I'm interested to hear about potato cover crop. I have 2 and 300-gallon pots with native grass alfalfa and Korean les. Is it too late to add them more on or less on?
Oh no, you can add them at any time. It just depends on the cultivar of potato. I mean, do you want them to grow in the pot after your harvest? Well, there's certain cultivars that last longer, or there's other cultivars that grow very quick. Those little colorful potatoes. So absolutely, you can add them and leave them, over winter with them. Keep the pot alive if you want. If the pots are indoors, if they're outdoors, well, obviously not. But there are ways to winterize your pot by taking hay bales or leaves and creating a mound around them. In that case, you could overwinter. Again, it depends on where you are. I mean, if you're sub-zero, it's space place specific. Use common sense.